Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to integrate Notion with GitHub. To get started, open your Notion workspace and navigate to an empty block. Type GitHub to add the integration to your page. A drop-down menu will appear with the GitHub option. Click it to begin linking your GitHub repositories. Keep in mind that GitHub integration in Notion is a paid feature, so the full setup may not be available on a free plan. You can still follow along and explore the steps on a paid account to make it work. Once you select GitHub, connect your account and choose which Notion database you want to link with your repositories. This lets you pull GitHub issues into Notion tables, allowing you to manage development tasks, project documentation, and workflows all in one place, even with limited access. By following these steps, you'll establish a strong foundation for using GitHub within Notion. It's a powerful way to simplify project management and boost team collaboration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.